Lately, I have been faced with some realities about life and business and investments and relationships and government and pain and past and family and I'm feeling like it's been like a big um, melting pot of life experiences, good and bad. And I have to sit here and say that I believe if none of the things would have happened to me in my past, I wouldn't be as strong as I am today. So I'm thankful. I'm still figuring things out. Um, and I know the reality of certain things in this life is just going to be what it is. I know that I have to find a loophole. I have to find a stepping stone. Um, I'm knowing that, what I'm doing is not going to be easy. And and I'm not going to get the support that I feel that I need or that I need to get there. So I have to push myself. You know, I mean, you come to a time where you even realize that you got a family, you got a wife, you got kids, and still you're in a situation as a man. You have to provide, and you have to open up doors that they don't understand. They ain't looking at it. They just looking at right now. You know what I'm saying? So you still gonna come to a time where you have to stand alone. And when you have your alone time, you have to be able to make the decisions for your family. Because should you, you know, get upset because they're not thinking or looking at the big picture? Nah. You know, the only person I can think about who gives me encouragement in times like these is Job. He knew um, that his family, his kids, and his wife, everybody wasn't gonna believe the way he believed, but he still prayed that God watched over him, that that God protected him, and he made sacrifices for them, um, knowing that they did things outside of his presence that kids do, that people do, and he knew that they still needed grace. So you're going to get to these times where you got to stand alone and you got to be the man. If you got to be the man of the house or the man of, if you single, you just got to be the man to step up and say, hey, I want something different. You got to think outside the box. You got to face life for what it is. And you got to be honest with yourself. You know what I mean? We all got talents. We all got gifts. We just have to figure out how to use them to be able to become financially free, to be able to just enjoy life. We're always going to have bills. We're always going to have costs of living. So things shouldn't be hard, and there's nothing wrong with living a good life, living your best life, having things that you desire, but you have to get your priorities in line. And that's one thing I've been learning lately. I've been having to humble myself in a lot of areas just to take care of other things to get to the goal that I'm trying to reach. So when you're doing this, sometimes you're gonna feel like you're chasing your tail. Sometimes you're gonna feel like you're just shooting at the wind. But remember, you are making progress.